to Anirux channel. I'm your host Allegra DX. And in this video I will tell you interesting facts about cats. Number 1. Cats' whiskers are mood indicators. Aside from communicating her mood through purring, hissing or other forms of body language, a cat's whiskers are also a good indicator of how she's feeling. Also called vibrancy, whiskers are long, stiff yet flexible hairs located between the corners of a cat's mouth and outer edges of the nose. They can also be found under the chin, above both eyes and on their hind legs, all areas which are rich in nerves. Relaxed whiskers mean your cat is content and happy. Whiskers pushed forward tensely indicate she's on the prowl to hunt. If you notice the whiskers are pulled back along her cheeks, she's stressed or afraid. Number 2. White cats with blue eyes are prone to deafness. In cats, inherited congenital deafness is seen almost exclusively in white-coated individuals. The deafness is caused by degeneration of the auditory apparatus of the inner ear and may affect one ear or both ears. Breeding studies have defined the relationship between deafness in white cats and blue eye color. The gene responsible is an autosomal dominant gene termed W. This gene appears to be pleiotropic, that is, it has more than one effect, being responsible for the white coat color and also blue eyes and deafness. Number 3. The cat's tongue is equipped with tiny spikes. All cats, from the smallest domestic kitten to the largest lion in the savannah, have spiny filiform papillae on their tongues. These are curved and equipped with U-shaped cavities. Through these cavities, saliva is passed on to the fur and down to the skin when it is licked, which provides important cooling. These spiky papillae assist cats in the wild by wiping clean the bones of their prey and moving the food to the back of their mouths. Number 4. Cat cats primarily only meow for humans. Meowing is an interesting vocalization in that adult cats don't actually meow at each other, just at people. Kittens meow to let their mother know they're cold or hungry, but once they get a bit older, cats no longer meow to other cats. Meowing is one of the most endearing aspects of domesticated felines, more commonly known as house cats. Recently, viral memes have spread on social media which indicate cats only meow at people. But is it true that cats only meow at humans? Do cats ever meow at each other or other animals? While not all social media memes can be trusted, it turns out this viral meme is based on a real fact. It is true that cats only meow at humans. But just because cats don't meow at each other, does not mean they do not communicate with each other. Adult cats, living apart from humans, have very clear communication with one another. Cat language is spoken mostly through scent, then through facial expression, complex body language and touch. The reason cats meow exclusively at humans is simply because cat language doesn't work on people. Cat is dependent on its owner and quickly learns that humans are no good at picking up the scent messages, or the body language the cat is attempting to use. So the meowing develops into a second language to communicate to people. Some scientists would go so far as to say that cats have refined their meows specifically to manipulate people. Number 5. Cats love catnip, especially the real catnip, Nepedocataria. It has an intoxicating effect on the animals. Responsible for this is the fragrance nepentolactone, a volatile substance that makes cats euphoric. Native to Africa, Europe and Asia, catnip can now be found all over North America. There are more than 250 species of catnip around the world today. Catnip grows 2 to 3 feet tall and has sturdy stems with heart-shaped leaves. When cats smell catnip, they will often paw at it, rub it, roll over it, lick it and even chew it. Cats who have particularly strong reactions to catnip may also get frisky, meow, growl, purr, drool and generally act crazy for several minutes. Number 6. Cats spend 70% of their lives sleeping. If you thought cats spent a lot of their lives sleeping, you'd be right. According to Veterinary Hub, cats actually spend 70% of their lives sleeping, which works out to around 13 to 16 hours a day. The reason is energy conservation. Our feline friends have the physiology of a predator, meaning that they are hardwired to give chase and hunt, mainly at night. In the wild, cats must hunt in order to eat, and the stalking, chasing, and killing of prey burns a lot of energy. House cats still retain this wild streak, even though they have been domesticated. Even cats at play will display the feline primal instincts of creeping about in the shadows, quickly going into stealth mode and pouncing on their prey. Hunting takes a remarkable amount of energy, requiring short yet very intensive and energy-consuming bursts. Therefore, sleep is necessary to conserve energy. Whether your kitty is hunting for prey or tackling a toy, all that rest they get is reserve energy for running, climbing, pouncing, and stalking. Number 7. A house cat can reach speeds of up to 30 miles per hour. If you've watched your little kitty charging around the living room when they're feeling lively, you know that cats are pretty quick, but you won't believe this cat fact. They can hit speeds of around 30 miles per hour, which is so fast that they could beat Usain Bolt in a 200-meter dash. Number 8. House cats share 95.6% of their genetic makeup with tigers. This cat fact will really blow your mind. A study discovered that our little house cats share 95.6% of their genetic makeup with tigers. They also share a lot of the same behaviors such as scent and urine marking, prey stalking and pouncing. Number 9. Cats walk like camels and giraffes. Have you ever noticed that cats walk like camels and giraffes? Their walking sequence is both right feet first, followed by both left feet, so they move half of their body forward at once. Camels and giraffes are the only other animals to walk this way. Number 10. Cats mark their owners as possessions. They have scent glands in their cheeks, paws and flanks. When they rub against their human with it, they leave a message for other cats that they have claimed their owners.